On the innovation side, think outside the box. We were the sole source manufacturer for every U.S. military weapon system in development or production, including the F-35 and the M1A2 Abrams tank, Apache helicopter, and the list goes on and on and on. That is really the background and the heritage of the way we engineer the BoldVu product. I'm Bill Dunn. I'm the founder, owner of BoldVu by MRI. And the company is focused on what's called outdoor digital signage, specifically LCD or liquid crystal outdoor displays. We are the largest supplier of digital bus shelter displays. Every bus shelter in Manhattan designed and built here. Really every metropolitan city in the world, they're all ours and have been since the beginning of time. We don't copy what others do. We innovate, we create. One thing that I give the whole team is the freedom to think outside the box, to innovate, to constantly be thinking, how do we improve quality? How do we improve yield? How do we reduce cost? How do we become more competitive?
My name's Gary Wayne Bish. I'm the welding supervisor for BoldVu by MRI. With innovation, what it means to me is taking a look at the processes and being able to do something quicker, more efficient, cheaper, and turn around and still end up with the same quality, if not better, and trying to do advancements from that aspect.
Going back 3 to 5 years now, Gary and I have been looking at better ways to weld.
By utilizing laser, it's given us more capabilities. We've got high standards with our product because it's a cosmetic. Everything that we do is all show. They had a different brand that was here with the welding equipment. They weren't having very good with success, having a lot of problems. I gave them my recommendations, told me to buy the equipment, we brought it in, changed the way the product was. Our success was going basically out the roof.
Our product is very vivid, very bold, very viewable outdoors. They're the quietest units on the planet, the lowest power consumption units on the planet, best viewing angle, highest image quality on the planet. There is not a comparable product on the market. But we'll make them better. Always make them better.